Hey guys, this is the second part of the arc length and sector area portion, and we'll do sector area. If you missed the previous one about arc length, just go back onto my videos and search up arc length and it should be there. And so let's get started with sector area. The sector area is kind of similar to the arc length formula, I guess, because all you gotta do is x over 360 times pi r squared. Before we get started to solve, let's keep the sector area formula up there, and let me draw the problem or the circle, and then I'll define what a sector is. So let's say this is theta again, and this is r. And the area of the sector basically means this portion right here. So what's the area of that? And in order to find that, we use this formula. Okay, so then let me just subtract this circle up here and we'll solve a problem. So let's say theta is equal to 120 and r is equal to 35. Okay, basically now we're just going to plug in these values into the formula. So let's get started. So we see theta is 120, so we put 120 over 360. Then we multiply it by pi, then 35 squared. And basically now we're just going to simplify it. So here, let me get out my calculator, and let me do 35 squared because I really can't do that in my head. Or we can just do this. We can just start canceling and then we'll cancel that later. So I won't use my calculator. I'll cancel zeros, right? And we know that 12 times 3 is 36, so we can divide 12 over here and divide 12 over here, so we get 3. Then at that point, we get 3. Then we get pi times 35 times 35. Okay, so keep in mind you're not really going to get this type of question on math and science. They'll give you like a little evenish numbers. They won't really give you 35 times 35. I mean, you can do that in your head, but still. They won't give you things like that. So I'm just going to type this into my calculator, and I got this as 1,225. And basically I'll just divide this by 3, and it'll just be like a ridiculous number. So it'll be 408.333 repeating pi. So keep in mind this type of problem might not come on math and science like with 35 as the radius, but like maybe something more evenish, like maybe 3 or 4. But this is the formula right here, and that's the formula. I mean, whenever you're ready to solve on your test, that's what you're going to use. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below what type of videos you'd like to do. Like for me to make, sorry. Thanks for watching.